Welcome to Finan Simple, where money's made easy. And how does making money online sound for you? How about earning up to $91 per hour by simply watching videos? Sounds interesting, doesn't it? So, how can you do it? Look no further. Let's get started. The simple hack to earning that sweet easy cash only involves 3 steps. First, play the video. Pretty straightforward, right? Next, watch it for at least 60 seconds. You don't even have to really watch it, just let it play at the background of whatever you are doing. Lastly, immediately cash out your earnings. That's all there is to it. Did you think it was going to be a tiresome task? No. We are going to demonstrate to you today the most successful website for earning money online by viewing videos. It is even possible to view and use this website from anywhere in the globe. Let's begin. To begin with, go to Zoombox.com. Don't worry, this website is trustworthy, safe, and totally free. As you can see, all you need to do to get money is to fill out surveys, view movies and TV episodes, and take offers. However, since watching videos is something you already do every day and offers the highest return on investment with the least amount of work, we will focus on it for the purpose of this video. Therefore, select the Watch option on the left menu bar. Now, let us walk you through how this website operates. First and foremost, create a free account on the website. Second step, choose a channel that appeals to you. There are tons of options available on the website. Simply pick what you like. Start viewing TV programs and videos after that. Your account will be rewarded with points after watching those videos. By hopping between several channels, you can also keep an eye out for increased revenue. Finally, you can cash or gift cards for your points. It's really that simple. To fully comprehend how this website functions, be sure to view the entire video. As mentioned a while ago, you first have to register for a free account on this website. Visit the homepage, fill up your email address and password, and then click Sign Up Now to complete the process. For a simpler sign-up process, you may also prefer to alternatively use your Facebook or Google account. After that, you may now view how much money you can make on the website as you connect into your Zoombox account. You may also see the other individuals that have profited somewhere from $200 and $500. Who knows, you might be the next. By viewing videos, answering surveys, or taking offers, these people are all making money on Zoombox. The best part is that there are so much videos accessible there and they all refresh each day, so there is a never-ending possibility for you to make money by simply viewing videos. How nice does that sound, right? Now, once you have done all that, click Watch on the left-hand side to begin. There will be boxes bearing the names of different channels like Hideout TV and Lootably in which you can choose from. Additionally, you may view the specifics of their offers by hovering your mouse over each option. Let's say you choose Lootably. Simply click the Start button on the company's box. The video category can be chosen on the next page after you have been sent there. You have the choice of picking from the food, DIY, or random videos categories. You can see how many points you can gain for each category on the right-hand side. Let's say you have preferred to watch food videos. To continue, you may also need to create a free account on Lootably, so simply repeat the process as you have done on Zoombox. After that, it's time to watch videos. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be sent to another website where you may view all of the food-related videos. You may view as many videos as you like on their website. Now, for instance, if you click on a video, you will be sent to another page where you must view the video for at least 60 seconds in order to get paid. You may view as many videos as possible on several tabs at once, which is actually a tip on how to increase your income tenfold. You are even able to view a lot of videos while completing other tasks in this manner. Simply let those videos play on the background and quickly accumulate the points in no time. Another great tip we have for you would be to reduce the video quality by selecting the video options. Simply set it to the lowest video quality setting you can to conserve data. In this way, you can watch multiple videos while not consuming such an enormous amount of data. With this, you may view as many 60-second videos as you like and make as much money as you want with absolutely no consequence. All these extra tips will be very useful and advantageous for you, and you can even apply them right now to increase your profits in Zoombox in a single day. Imagine doubling, tripling, maybe even quadrupling your money. That's amazing! After showing you how to earn money on Zoombox.com by only viewing videos, we'd like to demonstrate another method, which is earning money by completing surveys. This is a prize for watching the video up until this point. You deserve it. Anyways, you should notice surveys on the Zoombox dashboard's left side, and you simply click on it. You will then be given a selection of businesses that offer you easy surveys to complete. You will receive payments that range from anything around $0.50 up to $10 for each survey. In some instances, you can even earn more. Simply select the business that gives you the biggest cash offer. After that, just register a free account with the firm of your choosing and start doing as many surveys as you'd like by following the same instructions as previously. That's all. That was how to make money online by simply watching videos for 60 seconds. Don't forget the other way to earn by answering surveys that shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. Who doesn't want quick and easy money, right? Now go and have fun watching videos. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon.